Hey, fabulous foodies! Welcome to our channel Sparkle Cooking. Today we learn how to make the tasty and yummy Bombay Biryani. So, let's start with the ingredients. Beef 1 kilogram. Rice 3 bowls. 1½ tablespoon of crushed ginger and garlic. 4 medium onions. 4 medium potatoes. Half a cup of tomato paste. 1½ tablespoon of crushed red pepper. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 tablespoon of white cumin. 1½ tablespoon of ground coriander. Yogurt, 1 bowl. 1 tablespoon of hot spices. Curd leaves, as desired. Green chilies 4 to 6. Mint leaves, as desired. Half a teaspoon of food color. Cooking oil, as desired. Salt as desired. Recipe: wash the meat cleanly and keep it. Finely chop the onion, peel the potatoes and cut them into 2 pieces and put a light food color on them and keep them. Wash the rice and soak it for 20 minutes. Heat 4 to 6 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan on medium heat and add hot spices, curry leaves and cumin seeds and fry ginger and garlic in it. Then add the meat, cover and cook on low heat. Heat the cooking oil in a pan on medium heat and fry the potatoes and onions separately until golden brown. Grind the fried onion and mix it with the yolk color in yogurt. When the meat is half cooked and its own water dries up, add potatoes, salt, red chili, turmeric, coriander and tomato paste and cover it on low heat. When the water of the tomato becomes dry and the meat is completely cooked, fry it on medium heat until the oil separates. In the meantime, add mint leaves and rice to boiling water with salt and boil it for a while and put it in a sieve and strain it. Spread half of the rice in a large pan with a little cooking oil, then add the onions with a little curd. Add the meat mixture and again add the onion and finally add the rice and close the lid tightly. Keep it on low flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Mix well, remove to a dish and serve with a fresh salad. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos and share them.